Hi, in this video the Legalraasta team will teach you all about the change in directors in company in India, its definition and availability. Now, what is the directors of the company and how many minimum numbers of directors in a company? Directors are appointed by the shareholders of a company for the management of a company. A private limited company should have a minimum of 2 directors and a public limited company is required to have a minimum of 3 directors. We at Legalraasta can assist you with the filings required by ROC for appointment of new director, designated partner or removal of existing one. Here are the following points to remember for change in directors. Minimum requirements: a person must be minimum 18 years old and hold a DIN. Directors: a private limited company must have a minimum of 2 directors and up to a maximum of 15 directors. DIN stands for Director Identification Number. It is a unique number allotted by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs for any individual who is a director of a company. Legalraasta provides a simple online process to add or remove directors for just Rs 2,999. You will need the following documents to change in directors: PAN card of individual, ID proof, residential proof, passport size photograph. Legalraasta.com is India's top destination for legal and company matters. We can help you in forming any type of business entity, example private limited company, LLP, filling individual and company return, helping companies for their compliances such as ROC filings and minutes, protecting work through trademark and copyright. We are a trusted partner with multiple top-level expertise and affiliation, and yet cost-effective. So log on now at legalraasta.com to change in directors of the company or mail us at contact@legalraasta.com.